guys, this is the Jurassic Gamer here, and we were gonna play Minecraft PE. And now we are going to a cool Jurassic Park. And now we're gonna go to the aviary. Wait, it is slow at loading. And now we are here at Jurassic Park. We're gonna use a car. Oh no, just walk. Here it is, guys, the cool aviary. Here it is, guys, the cool aviary. I was just gonna find it where it is, and okay. Now I saw the aviary. Here is the aviary. Okay, we were gonna go to the right entrance because we were gonna go jail if we obey the rules. And now here it is, the aviary. Here, welcome to Jurassic Craft Aviary. Sorry, it is raining here in the Philippines. And now we are gonna go to the aviary, presenting Jurassic World Special, the aviary. Here it, guys, the cool aviary. We're gonna go inside the enclosure. Danger, it is a meat eater. So don't let them convince to eat you. Lol. Here it is! The aviary! Oh, what is the Brachiosaurus doing here? Oh, this is the coolest aviary that I've made. For me, of course. If you don't like it, it's okay. This is now for this day. Please subscribe me, Jurassic Gamer 123. Thank you, folks. I hope you like it.